Emma Chamberlain knows a secret to making money online that is currently making her millions of dollars, but it has nothing to do with being a famous influencer. And believe it or not, you can steal her secret money-making strategy and use it for yourself to make thousands of dollars every single month too. But unlike Emma, I know how to do it without ever having to show your face. Want to know how? Then you better keep watching, because we all know Emma Chamberlain as a celebrity influencer. With her millions of followers and viral posts, it's impossible not to know who she is. But what if I told you that Emma is secretly making million-dollar moves to create her own passive online income streams outside of social media? Now, I know what you're thinking. Stacy, isn't Emma making all her money from being an influencer on social media? The real answer? No. Emma is actually doing something to make even more money online that doesn't include posting on social media at all. Something that will make sure her money doesn't disappear with the next trend. Something that's making her millions even if she never posts again. And believe it or not, it's something that could be the key to your financial freedom too. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to expose all her secrets and show you how you can ethically steal her money-making strategy, even if you're a complete beginner with 0 followers. But before I reveal her secret, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, because what I'm about to share could completely change your approach to making money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. And if you want to see my newest videos 24 hours before everyone else, check out my new VIP YouTube membership. It gives you early access to all of my content. Plus, when you join my YouTube membership, you'll receive special bonus content made just for my VIPs. Now, let's get started. So let's get back to Emma. She's got millions of followers and brand deals with some of the biggest names out there. So why would someone like Emma, who's already so successful online, need to branch out and make money online doing something completely different? Well, it comes down to one simple fact: longevity. Because being an influencer seems great on the surface, but there's a huge problem that most people don't even realize. Being an influencer is extremely risky because trends come and go, and one small algorithm change, you could lose everything. Emma realized this and knew that if she wanted to secure her financial future, she needed another way to make money online, a way that didn't depend on her next viral post. So she started secretly creating a product, but not just any product. She knew the product had to be 1, something her audience really loved, and 2, something they would continue to buy even if she wasn't posting about it every single day. The end result? A product that is now worth over $20 million. And here's the best part: regular people like you and me can actually steal her strategy to do this exact same thing. Maybe not millions, but you can absolutely copy Emma Chamberlain's secret strategy to create a new online income stream that can make you thousands of dollars every single month. And in just a second, I'm going to show you the exact products and apps that you can use to make money online like Emma, even if you've never done anything like this before, and how you can do it without spending any money up front. But what exactly did Emma sell that made her so much money? Well, I'm holding it right here, and it's something you probably drink every single day. The Chamberlain coffee brand is currently worth over $20 million. And I know the critics out there are probably going to say, yeah, but the coffee niche is oversaturated. Well, here's the genius part. Emma didn't actually create a coffee company. She created a brand that connects her to her audience's personality and values. And the product is in super high demand because it's something that she and over 243 million Americans love to drink every single day. So yes, she's selling coffee, but what she actually created was a brand that could stand on its own and continue to grow even when she wasn't actively posting about it on social media. And that is how Emma Chamberlain created a completely passive income stream that will make money for her 24/7. But think about it. What if you could also take something you love and turn it into a passive income stream? One that doesn't rely on you constantly posting on social media. You're probably thinking, okay, Stacy, that's cool for Emma, but I can't do that. I'm not a social media influencer and I have no idea how to create a coffee company. I know you probably won't believe me, but you don't need to be a celebrity or have any money to pull this off. Because with the right strategy and the help of AI and the right apps, you can create a viral, in-demand product faster, easier, and cheaper than ever before. Here's exactly how you're going to do it. Now, don't be afraid to take notes and save this video for later, because here's where I break down everything step by step. First, you're going to come to an app called Printify. There's a link down in the description to the Printify app. And this is the key to making this whole strategy work without having to pay anything up front. Now, before you start saying you've seen my other Printify tutorials before, hold on just a second. You do not want to skip out on this video because I'm going to show you something brand new that I've never shown on my channel before. But for those of you who are new to my channel, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that lets you create custom products and then sell them as your own. You can add your own graphics, designs, or text to anything from mugs, clothing, and accessories. But is it possible to create your own coffee brand? Well, I'm going to test it out in just a second. But the best part about Printify, you don't have to pay anything up front to start your brand. You don't need any inventory. You don't even have to ship any products yourself because Printify does all of that for you. You only pay once a customer buys your product. Then Printify prints and ships your product to your customers for you. Printify allows you to create passive income because they completely automate the process of selling physical products. Now, let's see if we can use Printify to replicate Emma's coffee brand. I bet I can do it in less than 10 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to the Printify site or app and create your account. You can also do this entirely on your phone, by the way, if you don't have a laptop. Printify is mobile friendly. There's a link down in the description to the Printify app for you. It's completely free to use, or you can get 10% off a premium account when you use my discount code. Once you create your account, the next thing you need to do is pick a product you want to sell. To do that, click on the catalog button right here. Then you'll see Printify has all of these different products that you can choose from to customize and sell as your own. Most of them are typical print-on-demand type products like t-shirts and hoodies. But I want you to ignore all of these for just a second and look right here where you'll see this. Coffee. Yeah, that's right. Printify has recently added new customizable coffee products to their catalog. You can choose from all of these different types of coffee that are not just premium quality, but have been ethically and sustainably sourced, and are roasted and shipped right from the United States. But how do you turn these blank coffee products into your own viral coffee brand like Emma? Let me show you. First, pick whichever type of coffee you want to sell. Next, select your coffee by clicking on it, then click on the Start Designing button. That will take you to the Printify product editor, where you now get to customize your coffee package to fit your brand. In the middle of the editor, you'll see the template for your coffee package. Here, you can use the editor to add text, images, and graphics to your packaging. And it's really easy to use because everything is drag and drop. Now, this template is a bit more complicated than a basic t-shirt because this template is for a coffee package. Essentially, each one of these dotted lines is where the box will be eventually folded to create your packaging, once Printify prints it for you. You can see what I mean by clicking the preview button right here. But if this seems confusing to you, I really highly suggest you read this section right here about the specific details and dimensions of the template. You can even download a customizable template that you can use with a graphic design app like Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer if you want to get really technical about it. But if you're a complete beginner, you can also design your package right here inside the Printify editor. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. But one quick important detail I need to bring up first. When you're designing your packaging, you do not under any circumstances want to copy Chamberlain coffee designs, unless you want a lawsuit on your hands. What I'm showing you in this video is how to copy Emma's strategy, not her actual branding. What you can do is use her brand for inspiration. If you really want to succeed at this, you need to create something that's unique to your own brand. If you don't know how to do this, or you're not a graphic designer already, the easiest way to create unique branding and graphics is to use the help of AI. If we use Chamberlain Coffee as inspiration, you can see that she used cute animals as the icons for her packaging because she knows that it appeals to her audience. So let's use a similar idea for inspiration and get AI to help us create the images. On my screen, you can see I'm inside one of my new favorite AI image generation apps called Ideogram. There's a link to this app down in the description for you. Now, Ideogram is a new AI image generation app and can create any kind of images that you like just by giving it a text-based prompt. And why I love Ideogram is because it's the best AI app at adding text to your AI-generated images. Other apps struggle with this. You can see the prompt I'm using right here on my screen. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy it. Now, you can get as detailed as you want with your prompt, but I'm going to keep it as simple as possible just to show you how this all works. Once you type your prompt and hit the Submit button, AI will get to work generating your images. And here you can see 4 images that it generated for me. I like this one best. It's a cute image with the text 𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗧 Coffee Company around it. I haven't actually researched if this brand name is available to use, but I'm going to use it just as an example. You can also see that the image is of a baby sloth holding a cup of coffee, just like my prompt told it to do. And I think this would be a cute icon for our example coffee brand. To save time, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about how to use AI image generation apps in this video, but if you want me to make a full tutorial on how to use AI to create the best images, let me know down in the comments. Once you're happy with your image, you can download it by clicking right here. Then it's time to come back over to Printify and finish creating your packaging. Here, you can see I'm back in the Printify editor, and our blank template is right here in the center of the screen. Now, it looks pretty boring, so let's fix that. First, I'm going to add a background to the packaging by uploading one from my laptop by clicking right here. I created this background image using Canva in just a few seconds. It has cute little coffee beans all over it to give it some character. Then I'm going to click this button right here to add it as a pattern all over my package. Next, I'm going to upload the cute little sloth icon that we just got AI to create for us. And I'm going to add it to the front of the package template. Next, I'm going to resize it and move it to the center of the front of the template. This area is the front, and this area is the back. Next, I'm going to add our icon to the back of the package as well. And I'm going to add some text to our coffee package by clicking over here in the left menu. You can change the text by double-clicking on it, and you can change the color of the text by clicking up here in the top menu. Now, I'm just using example text for the back just to show you how to design the package. But when you're creating your own coffee package, you'll want to make sure you do some research on what you should include here. Now, I think this looks really cute for our first coffee package, and it only took us a few minutes to do it. So once you're happy with the way that it looks, you can preview the whole design to see what it looks like by clicking the preview button right here. Then you'll see that Printify creates realistic mockups of your coffee so that you and your customers can see exactly what it will look like. If you're happy with the design, click the Save button right here. Next, you'll be taken to the product info page, where you'll have to enter the details of your coffee. Here, you can see all of the mockup images of your coffee package. You'll also have to enter the product title and product description. Printify gives you a really great starting point here, but I suggest you change the title and description to match your specific brand. Next is the pricing section, where you can change the price of your coffee if you want to. And here, you'll see how much profit you'll make every time you sell one package. The last step is to connect your store. But don't worry if you don't have a store just yet, because Printify makes it really easy to sell your products even if you don't have a website by using their Printify pop-up store option. I cover how to create Printify pop-up stores in another tutorial over on my channel, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail in this video, but I'll link that video down in the description for you. And here's an example of what your product page will look like on your Printify pop-up store. Another way to sell your coffee without a website is to use the Amazon integration. Printify now allows you to link your Printify products straight to the Amazon marketplace, so there's no need to create a complicated website anymore. And if for whatever reason you don't want to sell products on Amazon or through Printify pop-up stores, you can see there's a lot of other options that you can choose from as well. All you have to do is pick whichever store integration you like best and link it to your Printify account. Now, once you have your new coffee product saved and added to your store, it's time for the most important part, and that's how you're going to make money and actually sell your coffee. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, you do not need to be an influencer to sell your products. So here are 3 ways that you can promote your new coffee brand without ever showing your face online. First is with influencer marketing. No, you don't have to show your face or be an influencer yourself, but you can get other influencers or creators to promote your products for you. You can reach out to creators on TikTok or Instagram and ask them to review your products if you send them a free sample. You can also pay them to do a paid shout out or collaboration with your brand and add your product links to their link in bio. This allows you to tap into the booming creator marketplace without having to be a creator yourself. The second way to promote your new coffee brand is with faceless ASMR videos just like this. These types of videos always go viral on TikTok and are a great way to get thousands or even millions of views on your products completely for free. But you don't have to create these videos yourself, because you can get freelancers on Fiverr to create viral ASMR coffee videos for you just like this. Then you can either post them on your brand's social media account yourself, or you can hire a virtual assistant to post them for you. But don't forget to add your product link to your bio of your social media account if you choose this method. This is another way to promote your new coffee brand without ever showing your face or creating any content yourself. The third way is to promote your coffee brand on Pinterest. One creative way to do this is to get AI to create simple coffee-related drink recipes for you, and then post the recipe on Pinterest with image-based pins. The best thing about Pinterest is you can link your product right to the pins so viewers can click and buy your coffee right through your posts. Now, of course, these are just 3 basic ways that you can get started with promoting your new products online. You can obviously go into much more detail than this or use whichever traffic method you personally like. But the point of this video was to open your eyes to the potential of what's out there to make money online, if you're willing to think outside the box. These strategies work no matter whether you're a celebrity like Emma Chamberlain or a regular person like you and me. The key to really making money online is to jump right in and don't procrastinate. The longer you delay starting, the longer you delay your success.